Father, I didn't know you liked sightseeing. Are you sure it's safe for you to leave the main camp?
I thought I would go and see Yuan Shao's face myself. Besides, Guan Yu is here. I need not worry. Well then, I leave the main camp to you. Ha! Guan Yu and I will reinforce Bai Ma Castle. Xiahou Dun, go to Yanjin, and Cao Pi to Guandu Castle. An attack base. Destroy it before it does any harm.
If they're so eager to die, then we'll be happy to oblige them.
I won't lose a second time.
Why do they even bother?
A defense base. Careful! It will put up a tough fight.
Did you think you could overcome this base?
Ah, such a beautiful flower to be found on the battlefield. Come with me.
Who are you? I won't forgive such rude words.
You can't forgive me? Well, that's more your problem than it is mine. You have a decision to make. Do you really want to stay here with these Yuans? Or would you rather let your petals bloom beneath me?
I wonder if you're as strong as you so arrogantly claim.
Why don't you come find out?
You're pretty good.
Brought your allies with you. I won't be denied next time.
Why do they even bother?
Such prowess. May my body and soul be yours hereafter.
I won't lose a second time.
Why do they even bother?
Such impressive skill.
Yan Liang has fallen to my blade.
Yan Liang, Cao Cao, I'll make you pay!
The enemy is sure to open their stores at Wu Chao. Keep pressing them until they do. Now you've made me angry.
Here? I must lay down my sword.
It's about time I faced a worthy opponent.
Why do they even bother?
Eh? Wen Chou? Prepare to die, Cao Cao!
Good luck if you think you can break through our defenses.
You don't think you'll get away with that. Kneel before me. I won't lose a second time.
Why do they even bother?
Front needs supplies. Open up Wu Chao.
Right on cue. Now, obliterate Wu Chao.
You're by yourself. You must have some courage.
I'll never back down from a fight. I have some catching up to do.
Get out of my sight.
It certainly is noisy. What is happening?
The enemy has attacked Wu Chao. It's in flames.
What's that? Cao Cao, you pretentious fool!
I must retreat. For now.
Why do they even bother?
All right. All units, sally forth.
We mustn't let them steal all of the glory.
Master Yuan Shao's crudeness is maddening.
Thanks for coming. I'll make it up to you.
Retreat is an acceptable strategy.
Why do they even...
The end is near.
Now, attack!
Speed is of the essence. Follow me.
win this.
This battle should be easy enough.
We must strive to be beautiful above all else.
Retreat is an acceptable strategy.
Why do they even bother?
Some battles you win, and some battles you lose.
Why do they even bother?
Break through our forces. I have some catching up.
An acceptable strategy.
Why do they even bother?
Now, attack! I have some catching up to do.
You should know your place.
Why do they even bother?
Yuan Shao is dead. He was concerned only with pride and ignored the opinions of his advisors, whereas we believed in ability and valued good counsel. This battle was over before it started. There are still bigger threats to our power out there than Yuan Shao. We must prepare for the inevitable battles ahead and deal with them when they come.
A new bodyguard has come to act in your service. This bodyguard is famous in 2 kingdoms for remarkable intellect.